if you hang your clothes, I need to show you something that is going to extend the life of your beloved shirts and anything else. No bad days, baby. Woo! Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. Here's your shirt. You're gonna hang it up and you're like, I'm gonna do this. Don't do that. You're gonna go to the bottom, okay? You're gonna get your hanger underneath there and you're gonna pull it through the head hole, and you're going to shape the shirt to the hanger, okay? This makes it so that you're not stretching out this precious collar piece all the time. Then you can gently adjust, boom. Once this is stretched out, it's not a very fun shirt to wear, so I would suggest you start hanging up your clothes from the bottom.